Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Iqbal Shah. I'm student at University Maritim Raja Ali Haji. Now, I will explain a journal. The title is Improving Student Speaking Skill Using Group Discussion. Experimental Study on the First Grade Student of Senior High School. Abstract. This article is written based on the research done by the writer as an English teacher at Wijaya Kusuma Senior High School, Surakarta. There are two aims on this research. There are one, to test the hypothesis that group discussion can improve the student speaking skill of the first student of Wijaya Kusuma Senior High School. Next, a introduction. According to the 2006 English curriculum and its supplement, the importance of the curriculum is that the students are able to communicate in English by mastering 12 skills. However, it is not easy to master all skills. There are so many difficulties in mastering each skill. The information found through observation, interview, and questionnaire. There is a method the student like most and it is often applied by the teacher. It is group discussion. On the problem mentioned above, the problem of the research can be formulated as follows. 1. Can group discussion improve the student speaking skill of the first grade student of Wijaya Kusuma Vocational High School? To describe how group discussion improve student speaking skill. B. Literature review. 1. Speaking. Speaking is one of the skills that should be mastered by the student in learning English. Piaget believes that speaking is in many ways an undervalued skill. Perhaps this is because we can almost all speak and so takes the skill too much for granted. Speaking is often thought of as a popular form of an expression which uses the unprestigious colloquial register. Literacy skills are on the whole more prized. It can be concluded that speaking is an oral expression of an interactive process of constructing meaning which involves phonological and grammatical system and requires the ability to cooperate in the management of speaking turn in order to give information and idea. 2. Group discussion. Kit faster. State the small group discussion dividing a large classroom into small group of students to achieve specific objective permits students to assume more responsibility for their own learning, develop social and leadership skill, and become involved in an alternative instructional approach. C. Research method. The research was carried out the first grade student of Wijaya Kusuma Senior High School, Class 1E. It consists of 35 students. There are 2 boys and 30 girls. The research caused the first grade student because the age level of the student is supposed to be able to speak out the language of means of communication. Methods used in this research is classroom action research. There are 2 kinds of the data which the research collected. The quantitative data. In case student of speaking skill analysis by searching for its average score of each aspect of speaking competence. Qualitative data were analyzed by using contents comparative method as suggested by Strauss and Glaser in Moleons. They say in general the data analysis include data reduction, data classification, data synthesis, and ended with action hypothesis. Next, D. Research finding and discussion. Based on the problem found out, the research decided to use group discussion method to improve the student speaking skill. There are 2 cycles done in this research. Each cycle consists of 3 meetings. In each cycle, there must be planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. Before the writer applied the group discussion method to teach, she conducted pre-tests to figure out the student ability in speaking. Next, A. Conclusion, implementation, and suggestion. Student achievement in speaking, which was measured quantitatively, increased. It was known through pre-test, post-test 1, and post-test 2. Group discussion is one of the best methods of learning speaking in foreign language. It helps the student improve their speaking skill. In group, the student have opportunity to use English among themselves and practice each other with their friends. Okay guys, thank you for watching.